Hi there. I'm going to show you a folder and a task that have to do with categorizing. Okay. These are for a student who's got a goal that has to do with sorting clean and dirty things. So here's a matching folder that has several pictures of things that are clean and dirty that can be sorted into two different categories, clean and dirty. So here's the clean socks. They go in the clean. Dirty socks go in dirty. And each of these pictures has a place here. And when all the pictures are complete, then the folder is done. Those exact same pictures are all available in this task, which has the same job of sorting clean and dirty. So here's the clean pots, going clean. Here's the dirty pots, going dirty. And a great feature of a task like this is that the student can do the work by themselves and sort each of these into the categories. And then since these boxes open right up, someone can come in and check how many are right and how many are wrong and give you really good, clear data about how they can do on that task.